Welcome everybody to a brand new video on my YouTube channel, and today I have something really special for you. We are going to talk about air guns, but these air guns have special bullets in it. They are explosive bullets. Okay guys, I got a whole line of bullets right here, well, airgun pellets to be exact. But there are also two different types. We have the 5.5s and we have the 4.5s. For the 5.5s I'm gonna use the Crosman 2240, and for the 4.5s I'm gonna use the Gammo P900. So for the 5.5s, the normal rounds we are going to use are the Barracuda Hunter Extreme 5.5s. They are like cross hollow points. And then for the explosive rounds we have the Flash 5.5. Here we go. 1.3 grams, and they look like these. The explosive powder is in front, and then you have the rest of the pellet. And the rear is empty, and there the air goes behind to push this pellet forward. Then for the 4.5s, the normal rounds we are going to use are the Gammo Pro Hunter. And then we have these ones, they are just standard ballpoint. And then we have two types of explosive rounds for the 4.5. We have this one, the Phantom. They are 0.25 grams, as I can see. They look like this, the green ones. They are Phantom, also explosive powder on the front. The rear is empty, so the air can go behind it. And then we have the Blink, and they are the red colored. Also a little bit the same like the green ones, only then this one is a little bit different with the effects. So today we are going to shoot some standard rounds and some explosive rounds. Okay guys, we're going to start off with 4.5mm bullets. We are going to shoot them with a Gammo P900. It's a break barrel air pistol. First we are going to shoot with the normal pellets, of course. And we are going to shoot on the black metal plate that you can see right there in front of me. So first the normal pellet, here we go. Okay, you hear a ding. But no flash, no explosion, just a normal ding. So, now let's go over with the Blink. The red one, these ones. The red ones, they are made to just give a little flash instead of an explosion. And let's see if we can see the flash coming off of it. That's nice. You still hear a little bang to it, but it's a bright flash. So, let's do it again. I really like these pellets. It makes it a lot more fun to just plingle around in the backyard. Nice. Okay, well, it's time to go over with the green ones, the Phantom. Let's see what they do. So, here we go. Nice. I don't really see the smoke that much, but I saw that the flash was also a little bit bigger compared to the Blink. Yes. So that's the green one. Let's do a green one again, and then we do the Phantom first, the green one, and then we do a Blink. Here we go, Phantom. Nice. And then we do a red one, the Blink. Okay. As I can see that the Phantom has a much brighter flash to it compared to the Blink, and the Phantom is also a little bit louder compared to the Blink. So, really nice. But now, let's go over with the 5.5s. For the 5.5, we have the Crosman 2240. It's a CO2 powered single shot bolt action pistol, and I really love this thing. It's not the most powerful, but it's just amazing fun pistol. So first, like we did with the 4.5s, we are going to start with the standard pellet. Put it in there and see what will happen. Here we go. Okay, you hear a big ding, but no flash or explosion. Let's go over with the explosive rounds. And the thing with the 5.5 is, there is much more powder in these pellets. So the explosion is louder and the flash is bigger compared to the 4.5s. So here we go. I think my neighbors won't like me after this. But we're going to do another one. of the 5.5s. Nice, you see a little bit smoke coming off of it. Yeah, the 5.5s are really powerful. The explosion is pretty big and the flash is pretty bright, and you also have a little bit of smoke. So the explosion of the 5.5s, well, they are really fun. Who likes ping pong? Oh, no, today we are going to shoot it. So we are going to play ping pong with pellets, airgun pellets. But we're going to put it here. And we are going to see what the damage is from a normal pellet compared to one of the explosive pellets. So first we start with the Camo P900 4.5 with a normal pellet in it. I will shoot a little bit on the left side. Okay. Let's take a look. Entrance is right there, but there is no exit. Didn't do a lot of damage, and I saw the bullet ricochet back, so no. Normal pellet is not as powerful, but now let's test the explosive ones. First, we try the flash, the red one. Also a little bit on the left side, a little bit lower. Paw! That's loud if you stand so close. But if we look at the damage, there is a lot more damage to it than compared to a normal pellet, as you can see. Well, now I'm interested in to go to the Phantom. The Phantom is a little bit stronger than the Flash, so let's see what the damage will be then. Okay, we have the green one, the Phantom. It's a little bit stronger compared to the red one. Okay, aim at target. I will go a little bit on top left side. Wow! Guys, look at this. That did a lot of damage. That was amazing, really cool. But we are going bigger to the 5.5. Okay, 5.5, standard bullet in it. A little bit on the right side, here we go. Let's see what the damage is. Here it is. Compared to the 4.5, this one went deeper in it, and as you can see on the back side, it also scattered a little bit open right here. Didn't go through it, but it went a lot deeper compared to the 4.5. Okay guys, I'm a little bit scared because we're standing pretty close and we have an explosive round in this gun. Well, let's see what the damage will be, guys. What? Oh my god, that's amazing! I shot at exactly the same spot where I shot the other one, but it came straight through! How freaking amazing is that? That's so cool, guys! Wow! The explosive round has a lot more damage. Let's do another one. I like it. Let's do another one. Okay, here we go again. Explosive round. Aim a little bit lower. Here we go. Wow. Now it didn't go all the way through, but it did do a lot of damage on the back side right here, as you can see. So yes, the explosive rounds are much stronger compared to the normal rounds, and it smells like it's burning here. Okay guys, we got another explosive round in here. Here we go. Wow. Oh wow. If we look inside, it's also black right there because of the smoke and the burning. Amazing, guys. Okay guys, we saw what the destruction is of these pellets. It's really powerful compared to the normal rounds. But at the end of the shooting range, I have a cooking pan standing there. And I like to shoot the cooking pan a lot. So first we are going to shoot it with a normal pellet. Here we go. Makes a nice ding to it. But now we take it up a notch with an explosive round. Oh, put it in there the right way, not the wrong way. Yeah, there we go. Ready? These rounds are really fun. They are expensive compared to the normal pellets, but they are really fun if you want to have some fun at the back of your range. It's amazing to shoot these explosive rounds. Let's try another one. and shoot it at a different target. You see the little metal box sitting on the pole right there on the left side. Let's shoot that one. Wow, that makes a weird sound. Makes more like a lower explosion sound. Also really fun. Amazing. Okay guys, this was the video about the explosive rounds. It was a lot of fun playing around with these things. They are expensive, but like I told you guys, and like you saw, they are a lot of fun to shoot. And I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, then please put a very big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. I have Instagram, Facebook and Snapchat. The links are in the descriptions down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Nice.